Autumn is here, and that means it's all about the breads. When that first cold spell hits and we light up our fireplaces, what's the first thing we want to do? We want to bake up something warm and comforting, so it's all about the bread. Now, why is it all about the breads? Because our holiday calendar says that we have a large amount of food holidays that are based around the breads. In September, we started harvesting potatoes and whole grains. So we started baking whole grain breads, potato breads, and lots of biscuits. And that's exactly why September was named National Biscuit Month, National Potato Month, and National Whole Grain Month. October is Apple Month, Pizza Month, Pretzel Month, and Applejack Month. So October is apple harvest time, so we start making all of our apple breads and our pizza doughs and our pretzels. Yum. And our yummy sweet breads and apple jacks. And we never forget about the pumpkins in October. We start making pumpkin breads, and definitely we can't go through the month of October without our pumpkin pancakes. I think I'm going to make some more of those for breakfast in the morning. In November, the bread phase continues with all the holidays, where we start enjoying raisin breads, pecan breads, and pepper breads, all because November is National Raisin Bread Month, National Pecan Month, and National Pepper Month. And of course, November is Thanksgiving, so we will be enjoying all types of breads, all types of homemade breads, stuffings, dressings, bread puddings. So once again, it's all about the breads. Now looking at December's calendar, it says our food holidays for December are National Pear Month and National Fruitcake Month. But for now, autumn is all about the breads. Can you see the steam coming off of the bread? It's all about the bread.